Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to our online teaching academy, Ekaleva. Today we are going to do the problems from exercise 3 from the chapter Factors and Multiples. Before that, you have to know that what is prime factorization. So when a number is expressed as a product of its prime factors, it is called prime factorization of a number. Writing a number as a product of its prime factors is called prime factorization. Okay, let us see one example. Let us consider a number 12. Here we are having two methods to write a number as prime factors. Okay, here 12. One is factor tree method, another one is division method. First, let us see factor tree method. Here we have to start with a smallest prime factor. Here 12 is an even number. Okay, so it is divisible by 2. 2 is a prime number. 2 is a prime number, even prime number, isn't it? Prime number means what? Already I told that numbers which are having only two factors, that is 1 and the number itself. Those numbers are prime numbers, isn't it? Now 12 is an even number, so it is divisible by 2. 2 is the only even prime number. Here in 2 table, 2, 6 are. Here 2 is a prime number, 6 is a composite number. Now again we have to write 6. We have to find the prime factor of 6. Okay, 6 is an even number. Again it is divisible by 2. In 2 table, 3 times. Here 2 is a prime number, 3 is also a prime number. Now we got all the prime numbers. So prime factorization of 12 is equal to, we have to write the prime numbers in as a product, 2 into 3. Okay, this is the prime factorization of number 12. Okay, let us see division method. Here also we have to start with the smallest prime factor. Here the smallest prime factor is 2. Here while dividing the number 12 by 2, we will get 6 as a quotient. Again, we have to divide 6 with the smallest prime factor. The 6 is a even number, so again 2 is the smallest prime factor. Now, we are getting 3 as the quotient. 3 is the prime number. So, we have to stop here. Okay, so prime factorization of 12 is equal to 2 into 3. Okay, like that we have to find the prime factors of the given number. Is it clear? Okay, let us start the exercise. The first question, find the prime factors by constructing factored trees. Okay, we are going to construct factored trees for the given number. Here 32. First we have to start with the smallest prime factor. Here 32 is an even number, so 2 is the smallest prime factor. In 2 table, 2 16s are 32. Here 2 is a prime factor. Now we have to find the smallest prime factor of 16. Here 16 is an even number, so again 2 is the smallest prime factor. In 2 table, 2 8s are 16. Now we have to find the smallest prime factor of 8. Here 8 is the even number, so 2 is the smallest prime factor. In 2 table, 2 4s are. Now we have to find the prime factor of 4. Here 4 is an even number, so again 2 is the smallest prime factor. In 2 table, 2 2s are 4. Here again 2 is the prime number. Now we got all the prime factors. Okay, so prime factorization of 32 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, this is the prime factorization of 32. Here this is factor tree. Okay, then we are going to construct a factor tree for 45. Here 45 is an odd number, so we have to find the smallest prime factor for 45. 2 is not the prime factor for 45. So the next prime factor is 3. 3 is the smallest prime factor for 45. In 3 table, when you will get 45? 15 times. Now we have to find the smallest prime factor for 15. That is 3. Again 3 is the smallest prime factor. In 3 table, 3 5s are. Here 5 also the prime number. So we have to stop here. 3 into 3 into 5. This is the prime factorization of 15. 3 into 5. Is it clear, children? The next number 63. Here 63 is an odd number. So first we have to find the smallest prime factor of 63. That is 3. 3 is the smallest prime factor for 63. In 3 table, 21 times 3 21s are 63. Now we have to find the smallest prime factor for 21. Again 3 is the smallest prime factor for 21 because 21 is an odd number. Okay. In 3 table, 7 times. Here we got the another prime number. So that's all. So prime factorization of 63 is equal to 3 into 7. Is it clear, children? The next question, find the prime factors by division method. We are going to use L division. Okay. Here 36. Which is the smallest prime factor for 36? 36 is an even number. So 2 is the smallest prime factor. Here in 3 1 time. Remainder 1 in 16 8 times. Okay. Now we have to find the smallest prime factor for 18. Here again 18 is an even number. So 2 is the smallest prime factor. 18 divided by 2, that is 9. Okay. Now we have to find the smallest prime factor for 9. 9 is an odd number. So the next prime number is 3. So in 3 table, whether 9 is divisible by 3? Yes. So the smallest prime factor of 9 is 3. So 9 divided by 3, that is 3. Here we got a prime number as a quotient. So we have to stop here. So prime factorization of 36 is equal to, we have to write the prime numbers as multiplication. In multiplication, 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. We have to write all the prime factors in multiplication. Okay. The next number is 75. Here 75 is an odd number. So 2 is not the prime factor for 75. So we have to check with 3. Here whether 75 is divisible by 3. For that we have to find the sum of the digits. 7 plus 5, 12. 12 is divisible by 3. So 75 also divisible by 3. So we have to take 3. 3 is the smallest prime factor of 75. In 7, 2 times. 2 3s are 6. Remainder 1 in 15, 5 times. Okay, 5 3s are 15. Now we got 25. We have to find the smallest prime factor for 25. Okay, here 25 is not divisible by 3. So we have to check with the next prime number 5. Okay. In 5 table, 5 5s are 25. So it is divisible by 5. It's ending with 5 also. So in 5 table, 5 times. Here 5 is also a prime number. We got the quotient as a prime number. So we have to stop here. So prime factorization of 75 is equal to 3 into 5 into 5. We have to write all the prime numbers in product. Okay. The next number is 28. Here 28 is an even number. So 2 is the smallest prime factor. So in 2 1 time, here in 8 4 times. 4 2s are 8. Now we have to find the prime factor, smallest prime factor for 14. 14 is an even number. So again 2 is the smallest prime factor. Okay, in 2 table 2 7s are 14. Here 7 is also the prime number. So we got the quotient as a prime number. So we have to stop here. So prime factorization of 28 is equal to we have to write all the prime numbers in product. 2 into 2 into 7. Is it clear, children? Then the next number is 88. Here 88 is an even number, so 2 is the smallest prime factor. Here in 8, 4 times 2, here in 8, 4 times. So the quotient is 44. Now we have to find the smallest prime factor for 44. Here 44 is an even number, so 2 is the smallest prime factor. Here in 4, 2 2s are 4, here also 2 2s are 4. Again 22 is an even number, so 2 is the smallest prime factor. Here into 1 time, here 1 time. Here 11 is the prime number, so we got the quotient as a prime number, so we have to stop here. So prime factorization of 88 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 11. Is it clear, children? So to find the prime factors, we are having two methods. One is factor tree method, another one is division method. Okay, hope you all understood. Is it clear, children? Okay, to receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you, children.